Good morning. I'm Andy Myers at Weiss Research.
I'm Jen Amos, and this is your morning market alert for Wednesday, September 28th. We're likely to see more gains on Wall Street today, as the focus remains fixed on Europe. The Eurozone is trying to give itself more power to attack the sovereign debt crisis, and it took a big step in that direction this morning. Finland's parliament approved changes to the region's rescue fund, known as the European Financial Stability Facility. The parliament voted 103 to 66 to give the fund the power to intervene in the sovereign bond markets and to provide credit lines to struggling governments. The measure will require a yes vote from all 17 Eurozone members, but Finland was seen as a major hurdle because the country's ruling party has taken a hard line against more bailouts. Germany's parliament will vote on the expansion of the EFSF tomorrow.
Greece seems to be moving closer to getting its next round of financial aid from international lenders. Officials from the European Commission, International Monetary Fund, and European Central Bank will head back to Athens tomorrow to review how well the country is complying with the terms of last year's bailout program. In a speech to the European Parliament yesterday, EC President José Manuel Barroso said, quote, "Greece is and will remain a member of the euro area." He also called on the ECB to do whatever is necessary to ensure the integrity of the Eurozone. However, investors' optimism may be dented a bit by a Financial Times report saying that the Eurozone's member countries are divided over the terms of Greece's second bailout package. At least 7 of the 17 member nations reportedly are arguing for private creditors to take a bigger write-down on Greek bond holdings. The EU approved the €109 billion plan months ago, but there are concerns that Greece's funding needs have risen significantly since then.
Amid all this activity on the sovereign debt crisis, the European markets remain close to the break-even line. Late in the trading session, Frankfurt's DAX index is holding on to modest gains, but the other major indexes are mostly lower. However, the euro continues to recover some lost ground against the US dollar, as investors remain optimistic about the prospects for the second Greek bailout. The region's shared currency is now trading well above $1.36 against the greenback. In the commodities markets, crude oil is dropping back around $84 a barrel, and the gold market seems to be calming a bit, following some huge swings in recent days. Right now, the precious metal is losing about $5 to around $1,650 an ounce. Last week, gold suffered its biggest one-day percentage drop in 5 years, as traders sold precious metals to raise cash.
On the corporate front, keep an eye on shares of Amazon.com today. It's expected to unveil its first tablet computer in a bid to boost its digital media business and provide a specialized platform for its online retail offerings. The Amazon device is expected to be based on Google's Android mobile operating system and go on sale sometime in October. The move will put Amazon in competition with Apple's iPad, but analysts say Amazon may try to undercut the iPad's $500 starting price tag with a lower-end tablet, perhaps in the range of $250 to $300. And staying in the technology sector, shares of Jabil Circuit are jumping 9%. Net profit at the electronics manufacturer nearly doubled in the latest quarter, and both its top-line and bottom-line numbers topped estimates. Jabil also issued a stronger-than-expected outlook for the current quarter. On today's earnings calendar, we have Darden Restaurants and Family Dollar stores, among others. That's the latest from Weiss Research. We'll be back after the opening bell with all the market-moving action, including the latest data on durable goods orders.